Did you know that foreign investors poured an astounding $75 billion into the U.S. residential real estate market in 2019? That's right. And what's even more exciting is that they didn't do it alone. But here's the catch. Investing in U.S. real estate while navigating the visa process can be as complex as it is overwhelming. Imagine trying to find your way through a labyrinth of legalities while aiming for a lucrative investment opportunity. It's like attempting to find a needle in a haystack, blindfolded. You might be thinking, can't I just hire separate real estate agents and immigration lawyers and all of the other people that I need to help me with my quest? Well, that's akin to trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle with pieces from different boxes. The result? A disjointed, confusing, and unnecessarily costly and more overwhelming and challenging process. But here's the silver lining. You don't have to face this challenge alone. You don't need to risk your investment or your dream of obtaining a U.S. visa. As a highly accomplished immigration expert with a proven track record of helping numerous foreign investors and real estate investors realize their American dream, I know precisely what it takes. And I am even an immigrant myself. My dedicated team specializes in providing a comprehensive, streamlined solution for investing in U.S. real estate while securing your U.S. visa. We are here to dispel the myths that this process is overly complex and risky, and instead, we will guide you toward financial freedom and a new life in the U.S. So this is where we're going to do a comparison, because a lot of people have found it confusing to understand what this SREI, strategic REI, is. Why is it replacing a business? How is it a business? Well, basically, it's a business in a box which overlays the client's traditional real estate investing. So SREI becomes the business. It's almost like an unfranchised. So what does that mean? So a lot of people, franchises are traditionally one of the easiest ways to get a visa because they're a business in a box and they're turnkey and they're easy and the government understands them. So lots of clients like Airbnb. Yes, we can build a business around Airbnb, but what does that mean? How does that look? Some clients want multifamily, very popular real estate type right now, right? Some clients want specific types of real estate. Maybe they want industrial, some want self-storage. Some even want mobile home parks.
So typically with our clients, we can include flipping properties as part of the portfolio, but on its own, it can't just be the only real estate focus that you have in your business, primarily because through this visa strategy, you need to be able to show that your business is on a regular basis making money, right? So the issue with flipping is you find a property 3 or 6 months later, you sell it. Now, one, you don't have any asset that you're holding, and also it's very unpredictable in terms of your month-to-month cash flow. So a lot of times we incorporate flipping into, for example, our clients will have some long-term properties like rentals, and they'll have a few short-term and then do flips in between. Or some clients that one that we're working with right now, he has new builds as his primary focus, and then he's doing some flips in between and a smaller amount of rentals as well. So we need to, again, look at this from the visa perspective. How am I going to continue to have cash flow month to month and increase that cash flow over the years, and also increase the amount of employees that I have? So typically with flipping, people use subcontractors to be able to do the work. And so it's very rare unless you have, for example, a project manager. When we start working together, I always look at what your goals are and how can we incorporate that into what we know is going to help get you qualified for the visa.
Traditional real estate investing in the business plan and financials are not going to qualify unless you're investing in, like I said, 8 to 10 doors. But in strategic REI, it's all built in. You can invest in real estate freely. You get custom software, programs, and a CRM build out, deal analysis through the first closing or the closing of your first transaction, weekly one-on-one coaching and consulting, and collaborative build-out of a visa-friendly, customized business model and budget. Are you ready to transform your American dream into a reality? If you are ready to embark on this incredible journey, simply click the link below and start your path to success today.